Don't smash it. I hit my TV. I can damage my TV, so be careful guys. Don't do this right here. Okay. This right here. Okay. Hold on. If you might hit my TV, that's $1,000. Come on. Now the CT is already getting messed up right here. As you can see. Okay. Come on, get up, Supergirl. Okay. Where's everybody here? Romeo and Juliet here. Watch out, the military is still there. Course. Come on, just watch out because you might hit my TV. It's time to do the Incredible Hulk right here. We'll come back again to the show. And we're going to make soldiers right here. What's going on? Transformer is right here. Roman. Transformer still here. Juliet's still here. And his friend. Soldiers right here, military here. The armor core is down there. All the way, there's an Iron Man right there. Romeo and Juliet is right here. The pink and the blue. Okay, special effect right here. Military time. Go ahead. You don't want me when I'm angry. We're not making you angry. We're making you smile. Hello. Hello, Iron Man is up here. Is here to help you. He said, calm down. Alright, this one is the Incredible Hulk. We have the remote control right here. We're gonna use it. Lights, camera, action. As you can see right here, Incredible is lifting the thing. We're gonna make some special effect next time. We go again. Speed Racer right here. Delta Speed Racing is right here, and the military is right here standing by. We have Speed Racer right here. All the way to the piano down there. All the way to the computer. Go ahead. Right. Everybody's going to the computer. Still ongoing process. Like, why are you driving somebody's car?
I'm looking for my car, you know.
It's alright, go ahead. Are you okay? You fall down? Oh, please do not punch the car because you might damage my TV right there. Hello, this is for a kids show. Don't punch it, oh please.
You're making me angry. You won't like me when I'm angry.
Dive into the swimming pool. Hello, wake up. Come on, I'm gonna help you. Get up there. Alright, she's already okay because Supergirl helped her. Alright. Okay, Pijimas is saying something.
Oh, I am fast.
Pijimas is right here. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go on back up. There's something going on here. Hulk is right here. Okay. Okay, let's go do it. Okay. 1964 and Porsche 991. Ready, get set, go. he will help you too. Okay, I put the LED lights in the back. Now we're gonna put speed racers here on the top.
He's looking for his girlfriend.
Oh yeah?
Going on.
So why bikini skirt? The broadcast.
Oh, I've seen a hook. In other words, he's looking for his fiancé.
The fiance.
He's looking for his best friend. Girlfriend.
Up to the show, Elvis and Tarzan is right there. Okay? This one's after the show. We need to clean this up.
Macho, what you gonna do? You gonna line up that? I thought you're gonna do the racing. Come on.